Good evening. My name is Dawn Honeycomb, and I would like to do a review of your ecosystem seminar. I'd like to give some constructive criticism to help boost your company's profits. A few of the reasons that I would like to do that is because I don't think that the company is gaining enough popularity because of not being on social media sites. There's also no customer reviews to let the audience know how well the products are working for past customers. The company is limited on sales, I feel, because it's only listing in the United States. Expanding globally will help benefit your company tremendously. I have benefited personally from your seminars. Learning that adding visuals engages another part of the person's mind. Telling a story helps a person relate to the narrator. And giving examples helps to allow the audience to connect with you. Ecosystems has a wonderful product and is very useful to consumers, but I just don't feel that it's marketed enough to reach your target audience. Expanding to other countries will bring in more customers of different ethnicities and nationalities that could benefit from the seminar. Expanding the business on social media sites will also allow for thousands, if not millions, of viewers that already use the internet to benefit from your products. So listing once again the 3 areas that I think could benefit your company is expanding the company's marketing on the social media sites. There are 4 social media sites that I would personally recommend. We all know that Facebook is a big social media outlet. Snapchat is another one. You also have TikTok, and you have Twitter. Our past president showed us the significance of having a popularity on Twitter. Hopefully it can benefit your company in a positive way. Another reason for advertising on social media sites is because it's a small budget that brings in significant results. Social media, it also has the tools to help you expand and be organized. It does a lot of the legwork for you. It's important to set a goal when you're advertising on these social media sites. Maybe it's a 1-month goal that you want to get certain number of audience in that time frame, or it could be a year. Just make sure that you set your time frame to complete your goal. Another way to benefit your business is to post past customer comments and opinions on your sites. When other people, their voice is heard, whether it is constructive criticism or positive comments, it shows that you have confidence in your project or your product. You build a reputation that way. It's good to send out reviews to past customers so that they can put comments maybe on the Snapchat or the Twitter social media sites. Plus, you get a better understanding of what a customer is wanting. You improve your customer service this way also. You improve your ratings by having customers' opinions on there. Just giving them a voice allows them to feel important and the confidence in your product once again. Plus, you're also allowing these customers to do a little bit of the marketing for you, which saves you a little bit of money. Expanding to other countries, global expansion, that can bring an enormous number of customers. Word of mouth advertising to me is the cheapest advertising there is. And if you can reach a lot of people, they're going to tell a lot of people, and even more and more. The amount is endless. You have that ability to gain better reviews, better networking. Gaining a larger audience also increases your popularity. Once again, that word of mouth advertising will give you high amounts of popularity, hopefully in a positive way. More viewing area will also increase your advertising, and giving access of the products will give them more options. When you have different nationalities and different ethnicities, it's going to allow you, or as your target audience, will allow you to expand your company to suit the needs of those people. Here's another slideshow of the recommendations. The Twitter, Snapchat, also WhatsApp. WhatsApp is another social media site that you can add along with the Facebook. Here's a list of customers' reviews and expanding the business to the other countries. I also recommend make sure you have an evaluation of your funds and your customer base before you proceed with any of these recommendations. Find partners and team members that have the same goal in common. Make sure you have a strong foundation so that the product you have right now doesn't have any flaws, so that you can succeed off of this and build off of this. Listen to the experts for advice. They know what they're talking about. Find experts in this area of expertise to get recommendations from. Put in that legwork. It will pay off in the end. Be willing to change the direction of your current procedures and processes so that it can help you expand. And make sure that your customer support is in place for when the customers will be calling, and you will be seeing a lot more customers. So make sure you have that customer support in place. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me, and I hope that your company succeeds tremendously. Have a good day.